Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Khadija. If you are new to this channel, if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. It's nice to see you again. In today's video I'm going to show you how I did this makeup, and yes, I am wearing some makeup, believe it or not. Okay, this is what I call my 15 minutes everyday makeup. This is the type of makeup I do when I'm going to work or when I just want to look, a little bit nice. This is what I do. Just 10 to 15 minutes, you are done. Yes, believe me. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. I'll start by applying this Nadine Cosmic face oil. So it has turmeric, I think that's why it's a bit yellow, so you have to be careful with that. Every morning, this is what I do. When I wake up, I apply some face oil. It could be this or any other one that I have. Okay, then after this, we'll apply some moisturizer. Get just a little bit. So after prepping the skin, I'm not going to use any primer, but if you feel like you need a primer, you could totally use a primer. If you don't have a problematic skin, you can totally skip the step that I'm about to do. But for me, I have spots and so many things. I really need to apply maybe a concealer or a foundation just on the areas to even out the skin, to get a perfect flawless skin. So to do that, I will apply my foundation just a little bit, and sometimes I mix with a little bit of concealer. The consistency of the concealer, it's a bit watery, so I like mixing it, and this is very thick. So I like mixing the two just to reduce the thickness. 2 weeks ago, I've been wanting to film so bad, but this 3 pimple or boils, I don't know what to even call them, but they just decided to pop up and just stay there for like good 10 days. I was so frustrated by this. I cannot understand. I just started to believe like it's a flaw, and how can they just come out all on one area? I mean, who does that, please? All on my nose. I mean, what's going on? Are you plotting? It's like they're conspiring against me. I don't understand. Like, I had to wait for them for the whole 2 weeks before filming because I looked really, really horrible. My face was swollen and all that. It's like a conspiracy or something. How can they all? I mean, they are even 4 all on my nose. Like, it was crazy. So thank God they are all gone. I still have some bump around this area, but they're almost gone. So yeah, excuse my face. Like I said, I don't even have any comment, so we'll just wait and see where it will take me, this face. So I'll get a little bit of the foundation, just a tiny little bit, and I'll apply a little bit of the concealer. This is what I have. I'll start with this area, my chin area, like this. I'm putting as little as possible because I don't want to look cakey. So yeah, and I'll also apply a little bit under my eyes, then on my lid as well. So I'm not applying more product, I'm just using what is left on the brush to apply on the rest of the areas. Okay, and then I'll go in with my beauty blender real quick to just blend everything in. And remember, I told you I used a very little amount, so this is what's left on my mixing plate. After that, I'll get my powder. This is my face powder. I'm using this Nuban Beauty. Where is it? Okay, Nuban Beauty. This is in number 05. This is Cairo, number 05. I really love this powder. It gives me this flawless and sheer finish. I just love what it gives me. Sometimes apply my setting powder. This is the Sasha, you know, just to brighten up the face under my eye. Okay, right, so we're almost done. So after this, I'm going to put some kohl, yeah, and maybe apply some eyeliner, but it's totally optional. I don't always do that, but whenever I feel like doing it, I do it. So let's do it today. This is the side that always gives me a hard time. Alhamdulillah, they look even. Alright, yeah, so I'm going to use my, by the way, I used my Inglot gel liner. Did I say gel liner? This is it right here. Yep, Inglot in number 77. If you can see that. And then I will use my Mabruk eye pencil to line my waterline. Then I'll apply some mascara. I'll get a spoolie and just brush my brows. And then I'll apply this MAC lipstick. This is Lipgloss, Liberated. So guys, you've seen the finished look. What do you think about this makeup? Would you do it? Like, what do you think about it? Tell me down in the comment section. I hope you find it helpful, and I hope you enjoy it as well. Do you leave me a suggestion on the kind of video you want to see next, and also thank you so much for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.